This is the elevator at Shadyside Commons Apartments in Shadyside, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. This is a 1980 Dover Oildraulic elevator with impulse fixtures installed by motion. I think this is the only elevator here. This is relay controlled. Open up the garage and here you go down. Your garage got a chirp. Someone called it. Let's see. Flickered. Or maybe not. There's 3. Here you go out. It's cold in the garage. Three's burned out. Back down to 1. Troubles when you press the button at the time. 8A phone. Looks like they're going to be getting a new cab, but right now it's just carpeting. Maybe it says new cab line, so maybe in there. Yeah, it says this Monday it's going to be out of service, and Tuesday and Wednesday morning, and I guess they're going to be inspecting it on Wednesday. Back on. Yeah, if I just came a week later, this would have a new cab. Or whatever. I don't really care. This time the chime didn't ring. Interesting. Well, it didn't ring.